if you observe the line, we have given a is equal to 3, n is equal to 8. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
9th bit third question. A is 3 and n is equal to 8, Hasni. And we have s is equal to 192, d is equal to question mark. So Hasni, the hint here is generally Sn, S5, S4, S3 like that they should be, no?
Yes, sir.
They gave S simply. Means we should understand that here n is given as 8. So what is the meaning of this S8 is 192? That is the meaning. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sum of how many terms is 192 should be given, but here they didn't mention that whatever that down they should write that number. Sum of how many terms is 192.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but they didn't give us, but they didn't write here, but they gave indirectly. What is that indirectly? N is equal to 8 is given, no?
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, S8 S8 is equal to 192. Indirect information. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So sum of how many terms is 192 we need to know. So that indirectly n is 8 is given. So that's why S8 is 192. You need to understand like that. So Sn we know formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d has.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Now I am just writing Sn is S8 is 192 given. So in the place of in this formula, in the place of n we have to write 8 has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
8 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 3 plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1 into d. D is how much has me? D only is equal to 192. So 8 by 2 is 4 has. Okay.
Okay.
4 into 6 plus 8 minus 1, 7d is equal to 192. So 6 plus 7d is equal to 192 minus, sorry, 192. Here you can do two ways, ask me. One is distribution, 4 into 6, 4 into 7 like that. Other is 4 will go right side, will become 192 by 4 has.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 6 plus 7d is equal to 192 by 4 is how much has been? 48. 7d is equal to 48 minus 6. 7d is equal to 42. D is equal to 42 by 7 has.
42%. Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So now Hasni D is 6. So we are they asked that only, no?
Yes, sir.
So over Hasni that much only.
Okay, sir.
Will I delete it Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hasni. So third question 10th bit has. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 10th one is how much has me? D third one 10th bit. L is equal to 28. S is equal to 144. S means sum Hasni. Again here also sum to how many terms is not given, but they said and there are total 9 terms. Means what indirectly Hasni? S9 is 144.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
S9 is 144. Is that okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
And we have one more thing, Hasni, that is So Hasni, here they even mentioned last term is 28. So here n is given as 9 means S9 is 144 indirectly. L last term is what now? A9 is given as 28 because last term is 28 and n is 9. There are total 9 terms. Meaning is what has A9 last term is only 28 now.
Yes, sir.
So that is the meaning. So here we have last term and S9 is only there. So we can use the second formula. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So why we can use second formula? Because Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L or n by 2 into A plus An. Means what here whatever n is there, that particular term should be there.
Okay, sir.
We have S9 and A9 is there. That's why we can use the second formula.
Okay, sir.
And here we cannot use the first formula because the reason is Hasni, first formula if you use it, you will have D in that. D it is not given in the question.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And A is also not given. So that's the reason why two unknowns are there. We cannot use the first formula. Using A9 at least by writing A plus 8D is equal to 28. We can find out A or D, but both A and D are not there. That's why if you write A9 as A plus 8D and equal it to 28 also, we cannot find out.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So now Hasni, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An. So now I am finding out S9 is equal to 9 by 2 into A plus. A is A only Hasni will write and An is 28. But Hasni, I'll do one thing. S9 is equal to first S9 is given as 144, no?
Yes, sir.
So I wrote that. Under S9, I am writing the formula n by 2, 9 by 2 into A plus An, that is A9. A9 is how much Hasni? 28 is equal to 144. So 9 by 2 is multiplied here. Hasni will go right side, it gets divided, which will become reciprocal. 144 divided by 9 by 2. I am not distributing it here, Hasni. You can do by distribution also. Okay. Is that okay, Hasni?
Sir, wouldn't the division be into multiplication?
Hasni?
Wouldn't the division be into multiplication if that goes
With
into?
reciprocal.
Oh, okay, sir.
Means 9 by 2, either I can do two ways Hasni here. 9 by 2 into inside I can distribute it. 9 by 2 into A plus 9 by 2 into 28.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then or another way is Hasni, I can do one thing. Simply 9 by 2, I can take it right side.
Okay,
It
sir.
will become 144 into 2 by 9. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Because 144 divided by 9 by 2 will become, which will become reciprocal with 2 by 9.
Okay, sir.
So 9 ones are 9 6 are. Okay. Is it okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So A plus 28 is equal to 16 into 2.
32.
A is equal to 32 minus 28. Oh, wait. 32 minus 28 has. Hasni, you're fully concentrating, no?
Yes, sir. I'm concentrating. I already did this, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So A value is how much, Hasni?
A is equals to 4, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So, Hasni, just for confirmation, once you check the back answer for both of these, before one and this one. Third one, 10th bit A is 4 Hasni. Before one we found out D Hasni.
Yes, sir. Correct only.
Okay. Shall I delete it Hasni?
Okay, sir.
11th question Hasni. Once you read the question, 11th one. Sorry, not 11th. Fourth question. Fourth question.
How many terms of the AP 91725 must be taken to given sum of 636?
Okay. Hasni. So Hasni, how many terms? Means if you add how many terms, like 6 terms or 7 terms or 8 terms or 10 terms, like that, some n number of terms, if you add, sum should be 636 it seems Hasni.
Okay.
That n number of terms there are.
Okay.
Sum of means Sn is given, we need to find out n. How
Okay.
many terms if we add that we will get 636 Hasni. So we clearly can see that series has 9, 17, 25, so on. A is 9 Hasni, D is 17 minus 9 Hasni, which is 6.
Okay, sir.
Sorry, 17 minus 9 is how much Hasni? 8. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So the formula I am applying Hasni n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 636 Hasni. So n by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into 9 Hasni, 18. Okay. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
So d is 8 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So next step is Hasni 2 I am taking to the right side because n I cannot take, like in before question n by 2 if I take it in right side and write it as 2 by n also there is no use Hasni. N there is before means I have a value here, so I took it right side.
Oh, okay.
Now I'll just take 2 right side Hasni, n I will keep it there on. N into 18 plus, here distribution I am doing first. 18 minus 8. Any doubt Hasni?
No, sir.
This 2 which is in the denominator, if it will go right side, will be multiplied with 6. Okay.
Oh,
So n into 18 plus 18 minus 8 is how much Hasni here?
10, sir.
10 plus 18 is equal to 636 into 2 is 1272. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So we can write now 10n minus 10n plus 8n square is equal to 1272 Hasni. So you can see there is a like quadratic polynomial came Hasni. 8n, I can write this as 8n square plus 10n minus 1272 is equal to 0 Hasni.
Yes, sir.
So we'll take 2 common Hasni so that this will become little smaller. The value is 2 into 4n square plus 5n minus 36 is equal to 0. So these are values. Okay. So 2 will go right side Hasni, 0 by 2 0. So it will become finally 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So here actually splitting the middle term is little bit bigger number came Hasni. In quadratic equations chapter we learn one more formula to find out the values. So when bigger numbers are there that we should use it. But here Since quadratic equations we didn't still complete Hasni, I am doing splitting the middle term mostly, but I am just checking did I do any mistake. 2 9s are 18 plus n minus 1 into 8. 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636 into 2, 1272. 18 minus 8 is 10, 10 plus 8n is equal to 1272. 10n plus 8n square 12, correct on. Everything is correct on it.
Sir, is the quadratic formula like b plus or minus of under root b square minus 4ac by 2a?
Yes, Hasni, that's one. Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2.
Yes.
So here instead of x variable is n Hasni, so n is equal to minus b. So coefficient shall I use that Hasni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So if we see, if we use that Hasni here, actually a value is by observing this Hasni, this polynomial, if we compare it with x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, in the place of a we have 4 Hasni, b is 5 and c is minus 636.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So n is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This formula we are applying. So
Okay.
I'm doing it beside here first. So n is equal to minus b. Minus b means minus 5 plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. B square is 25 actually, minus 4 is 16 into 25 minus 4. A is 4 only Hasni, and the C is minus 6. That is.
Okay.
This is not there. I will do one thing.
Okay.
Make this so n is equal to minus b minus 5 plus or minus root of b square. 20 b square is 5 square 25 Hasni minus 4. A is 4 Hasni into C is minus 636 by 2a 2 into 4 8. Okay, Hasni?
Okay.
25 minus into minus plus Hasni 16 into 636 by 8. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
So 25 plus 16 into 636 Hasni. So root of 10,201. So Hasni, this value of adding 16 to 636, that value and 25, if you add it, you will get 10,201. Okay.
Okay.
So minus 5 plus or minus root of 10,201 is 101. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So n is equal to minus 5 plus 101 by 8, comma minus 5 minus 101 by 8. So this value is anyways negative, Hasni, we will not consider. Because minus 5 minus 101 is minus 106 by 8. If you do also, you get a negative value. N value cannot be negative or negative fraction or negative integer. Okay, so n is equal to minus 5 plus 101, which is 96 by 8, which is 96 by 8 is 12. So number of terms to be added is 12 has this question to get the sum as 636. Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir. Could you hear me?
Yes, Hasni, any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni, this is part one. This is part two. Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
Any doubt there?
No, sir.
Okay. So number of terms is two Hasni. Once we will check the back answer. 12, sorry. Not for the fourth question, Hasni, 12, Hasni.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 12.
That is correct answer. So we will continue the next sum, Hasni. So Hasni, in the fifth question, once you read it, Hasni.
The first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and common difference.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, first term of AP means A, no?
Yes, sir.
Last term means that is AN or L. We don't know N, but clearly last term means we can treat it as AN or L, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Some nth term. So some number of terms are there. Some is also given as 400.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Sn is given as 400. Find the number of terms and common difference. Is n they're asking and d. So Hasni, since sum of n terms is given 400, we cannot use the we can use the first formula to find out here. Actually, n is not given, d is not given. Two things are not given. So that's why we cannot use the first formula, Hasni. Using Sn, we need to find out one of the variables, that is either n or d. So n we can find out. How we can use the second form. Sum of n term second formula is what has n by 2 into a plus an or l. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So using this second formula of sum of n terms, we can just find out.
Okay, sir.
So what is that first thing we can find out is n Hasni. N by 2 into a is 5 Hasni plus a.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni.
Okay.
So now Hasni, what we can do is clearly an is also given. No, I can substitute an also.
Okay, sir.
An is given. An 45. No? Because sum of n terms and an last term is given. So that's why you can use the second form. That's why an I can write 45. Any doubt, has? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. So 2 ones are 2, 25 are. So 25 n is equal to 400. Hasni. N is equal to 400 by 25, which is 15. Not 15. How much? 16 has.
Okay, sir.
N is 16. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So now, Hasni, I can find out D using AN now. Because the reason is, Hasni, D, now N we have, no? Since N is 16, indirectly A16 is given as 45 for us.
Okay, sir.
Yes, no? AN, before AN is given as 45, now N value we got it, no?
Yes, sir.
Means what? A16 is 45. N is 16, no? So we got A16. Indirectly n values we got it now because that is the last term, and it clearly sum of n terms we 400 with whatever it is given, that last term what is the last term, that is how many terms are there, we found out using the Sn equation, which we got it as 16. So 16 terms are there. So A16, since An is the last term there, A16 is 45. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So A16 now I can write it as A plus 15d using an formula. An is a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 15d. You already know a plus 16 can be written as a plus 15.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Is it okay?
Okay, sir. Could you hear me?
So now A is how much Hasni? 5 plus 15D. 15D means 15D is equal to 45. So 15D Hasni is equal to 45 minus 5 Hasni. 15D is equal to 40. D is equal to 40 by 15 Hasni. So once you check the back answer Hasni, D we are getting it like a fraction. D is equal to 40 by 15. So 5 3s are 5 8s are 5 3s are 5 8s. So it is 8 by.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni?
Yes, sir. D is 8 by 3.
Okay, Hasni, that was correct. So fifth question is also finished. Shall we go to the sixth question, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Shall we go to the sixth question?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Once you read the question, Hasni, sixth one.
The first and the last term of an AP are 70, 350 respectively. If the common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum?
Yes, Hasni. So first and the last term of AP means A is given as how much, Hasni?
A is
First
given 70,
17. Last term is AN or L, which is
350.
S, Hasni. This time common difference D is given, Hasni.
Okay,
How
sir.
much? 9.
Okay, sir.
D is 9, Hasni. Now, indirectly, Hasni, they said how many terms are there means which formula we can use. Suppose, for example, if I use a AN equation, AN which is given as 350, I can write under AN its formula, no, A plus N minus 1 into D.
Yes, sir.
So, AN is given as 350. Under AN, I can write, because using that only I can write an equation, A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 350. A plus 17 plus N minus 1, N minus 1 into D. D is how much as 9 is equal to 350. So 9n minus 9 has to be equal to 350 minus 17. 9n minus 9 is equal to 350 minus 17 is 333. 9n is equal to 333 plus 9 has to be 9n is equal to 342. N is equal to 342 by 9 has to be.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. 342 by 9, which is 9 3s are 27, Hasni. 7 will be there. 7 will be there. 72 means 9 is 72. So N is 38, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hasni.
Okay, sir. Could you hear me?
Yes, Hasni. So in value, we got it, Hasni now.
Okay. Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, you can ask us.
No, sir.
Now, Hasni, you can see N value, we got it. We need to find out the using we have one more thing that we have both A, D, now N also we have it, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now what I am doing is, Hasni, I am finding out the I'm finding out. So Hasni, what else we need to find out? The sum. They're asking what else? Sum also. What is the sum? Okay.
Okay, sir.
SN also question mark. In this SN is asked. Correct. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Find the how many terms are there and what is their sum. So clearly we can see, Hasni, n by 2. Now since we got n as 38, sum is up to how many terms? Whatever n is there in the question, that terms. That is the meaning. Because whenever they ask sum, they should mention the number of terms as.
Yes, sir.
Sum to 5 terms or 6 terms or 7 terms like that. But simply what is that sum meaning is what? How many terms are there? How many terms are there? And how many terms are there? And what is the sum? Means how many terms means suppose n we got 38 means 38 terms are there.
Okay, yes.
What is the sum is that 38 terms sum only. So n is 38 only.
Okay.
Okay, Asmi.
Okay, sir.
Understood, Asmi?
Okay, sir. Can you hear me? Yes, sir.
Yes, Asmi. So n by 2 into. So here also I can use now second formula also and both first formula also. Both we can use because AD we have. So n also we have. We can use the first formula. Second formula also we can use because the reason is n is 38 Hasni. An is given as 350. Means using that only we got the 38. No, n. An formula only using An formula only we got the 38. No, n.
Yes, sir.
So An means A38 is 350 directly now. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So we can use both first formula or second formula for summing this question. So I'm using the second formula actually. Let it quickly it will finish. N by 2 into A plus An. So indirectly now n is 38. So A38 is 350. Okay, Asmi. So S38 is equal to 38 by 2 into A. A is 17 Asmi plus An means A38.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Asmi. A38 is nothing but this, since that is only the last term. 38th term is only the last term. So automatically A in place I can write A38 plus what I can write as 350. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If we are using the second formula, whatever n is there here, that related term only we have it as.
Okay, sir.
This one I was many times stressing this point as. Okay, Hasni, because students will make some mistake here. That's why whatever n is there, that related term if you have, then only we can use the second form.
Okay.
So now S38 is equal to 38 by 2 is 19 Hasni into 17 plus A38 is how much Hasni? 350.
Okay, sir.
So S38 is equal to 19 into 17 plus 350 is 367.
Okay, sir.
Can you see?
Okay, sir.
6973. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So indirectly sum of n terms also we found out as. Sum of n terms, sum only they said simply, but n we should only understand.
Okay, sir.
So ask me just for confirmation once you check the back answer, ask me answer for the sixth question n is 38 and Sn is S38 is 6973.
Yes, sir. Correct only.
Okay, so shall I delete it, ask me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ask me. Seventh question ask me. Once you read the question, ask me seventh one.
Find the first 22 terms of an EP, which D is 7 and 22nd term is 149.
Yes, ask me. Find the sum of first 22 terms of AP has. And they gave clearly D as a 7 Hasni. 22nd term means what Hasni? 822 is 149.
9.
22nd term. Sum of 22 terms is S20.
Okay, sir.
22nd term is A22 particular. So A22 is nothing but Hasni A plus 21D, no?
Yes, sir.
So using this we can find, using this equation we can find out the A value Hasni. A plus 21 into 7 is equal to 149. A plus 21 into 7 is 147 is equal to 149. A is equal to 149 minus 147. A is equal to 2.
Okay.
Okay, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Now, Hasni, what I am doing is this. D using A22, we found out A also. D is already given in the question. Now they're asking sum of 22 terms. Means what? S22. So Sm is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. S22 I'm doing last name is 22 by 2 into, now we have A and B both. We need not go for, okay, we can even do the sum using second formula also, here also. Because Hasni, what is the reason?
So once could you repeat the question?
Because we can do the sum of 22 terms using the second formula as well. I wrote already first formula on the screen, no?
Yes, sir.
We can do it using the second formula also in this question also. Why?
Yes.
Because we
A
have
also, yeah, sir. A value is given, right, sir? So we can use.
yes, means n means whatever n related sum we want, that is S22. That related a term is there. That related term is there, A22.
Okay, sir.
That's why. Means here whatever sum of number of terms n, whatever it is there, that particular term is 149.
Okay, sir.
So if we can write this using second formula as n by 2 into a plus an. An means A22. 149 is there. So anyways, I wrote the first formula already, so I will continue on see.
Okay, sir.
So 2 into A. 2 into A. A is 2 into 2, 4 plus, and directly wrote it as. Okay.
Okay, sir.
N minus 1. 22 minus 1. N is 22 as. 22 minus 1. How much? 21. Okay. Into D. Just now we got already given D. 7.
Okay, sir.
So S22 is equal to 22 by 2 is 11 Hasni into 4 plus 21 into 7 first we should do us. We cannot add 4 because multiplication first as per bonus. 21 into 7 is 147 Hasni. So S22 is equal to 11 into 147 plus 4 is 151. S22 is equal to 11 1 is 11 56 5 11 11 plus 5 6 1661. So Hasni, once you check the back answer, Hasni 1661 we are getting answer. They're asking sum of 22 terms. So sum of 22 terms is 1661. Actually, here Hasni, why we need to do this thing is because if you want to find out the sum of 22 terms using the first formula or second formula, any formula, you require A. Yes or no, Hasni?
Yes, sir.
So without A, we cannot do. That's why using A22, since D is given, using A22 by writing A22 as A plus 21D, we found out and equating it to 149, we found out A there. Because
Yes.
A22 is given 149, so A22 can be written as A plus 21D. From there, we can get A. Now, once we get A, we can use sum of 22 terms using the first formula or second formula in this question. Because in both the formulas of sum of n terms, we have A in that formula.
Yes, sir.
First formula means n by 2 into 2 a plus n minus 1 to A is required. Second formula n by 2 into a plus a n also A is required. That's why we have to first get the idea of finding out A here, and then we need to use the sum of 22 terms formulas.
Okay, sir.
Because students will get doubt why I found out A here. They didn't ask. We have to, even though they didn't ask, to get the test 22 which they asked, we require A.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
delete it has been.
Yes, sir.
Suppose sometimes D is not, if D is not given also, A is given also. If suppose D is not given, but A is given and AN is given, we can use second formula. Without D, we can find out sum of n terms, but without A, we cannot find.
Okay.
Means if D is not given, we can use the second formula of sum of n terms to find out the sum state. If AN and A are given, but we cannot find out the sum of n terms without the A value.
Okay, sir.
So let's delete it, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have checked the back answer, Hasni, 1661.
Yes, sir. The back answer is same.
Okay, Hasni, that is that. We'll go to the next question, Hasni. Eighth one. Once you check that, once you read the question, Hasni, eighth one.
Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second and third terms are 14, 18 respectively.
Yes, Hasni. So Hasni, sum of first 51 terms of AP it seems. So second term is given, third term is given. So we can find out using second term and third term, we'll get two equations, Hasni. From there, we can find out A and D values.
Okay, sir.
So already these type of questions in previous exercise using some terms, Hasni, we can find out the A and D values. So A2 is given, Hasni, which is 14. And A3 is given as 18, Hasni. A2 means A plus 1D is 14. A3 means A plus 2D is 18. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now using these two equations, I'll just write them one after the other and I'll subtract them. You can write any equation on the first task, not a problem. So when you subtract the signs of the terms to this, I change first, second, A will get that. So already A coefficients are same, I can directly subtract. D minus 2D is how much as D? Minus D. Bottom minus sign should be applied for that. So you have to treat it like D minus 2.
Okay, sir.
So 14 minus 18 is minus 4 has.
Okay, sir.
So minus minus will get cut, Hasni. D is equal to 4. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Now once D is equal to 4, I'll substitute in any of the equations to find out A. A plus D is equal to 14, Hasni. D is 4 is equal to 14. A is equal to 14 minus 4, Hasni. Okay, which is
Okay.
equal to 10. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So now what they're asking, D we have, A we have, both of them we have, Hasni. Now what they're asking is find the sum of 51 terms of AP has is a question.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So Sn formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b. Now S51 we want as name means 51 by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into a we got it as
Okay, sir.
2 into 10 plus n minus 1. 51 minus 1 has.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Into d is how much has name? 4. So 51 by 2 into 2 times are 20 plus 50 into 4. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 20 plus 50 into 4 is 200 Hasni. So S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 200 plus 20 is 220. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So 2 ones are 2, 110. So 51 into 110 we need to do Hasni.
Okay, sir.
51 into 110. Sum of 51 terms.
Okay, sir.
5610 has. Just for confirmation, once you check the back answer has. Last name?
Yes, sir. Eighth question 5610 only, sir.
Correct, Hasni.
Correct, sir.
Yes, we'll go to the next question. Delete it. Delete it, Hasni.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Hasni. Nine question. So Hasni, once you read the first question. Ninth question.
If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and 17 terms in 289, find the sum of nth term.
Yes, Hasni. The sum of first 7 terms will be 49 and that of 17 terms is 289. So like Hasni, in the previous question, how second term and third term are given, no? Like using A2, A3, we wrote two equations, no Hasni. A2 means A plus 1D, A3 means A plus 2D, like that.
Yes, sir.
Here S7 is given, S17 is given. So similar to that, we'll get two equations here, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so sum of 7 terms means what? S7.
Okay, sir.
Sum of 7 terms means what has me? S7, 49. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now sum of 7 terms is 49 means has me, meaning is 7 by 2 into formula and directly because you know the formula now has n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So using that has me, I am writing 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 means 6b is equal to 49. Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
I just substituted the n value in the n minus n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b.
Okay, sir.
Or else I'll write, shall I write it more clearly, Hasni, or you understand?
Understood, sir.
Okay, Hasni. So now, Hasni, from the 7 by 2, I'm taking right side. Whenever you have variables like this inside Hasni, you should not prefer distribution Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So you will get fraction, you will confuse. 7 by 2, anyways, here this is a number and it's multiplied. You can take it right side, you will get divided. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 2a plus 60 is equal to 49 into 7 by 2 will become 2 by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are. Any doubt as well?
No, sir.
So 2a plus 60 is equal to 14 Hasni. 2 into a plus 3d is equal to 14. A plus 3d is equal to 14 by 2, 7. Okay, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So now I can see one equation Hasni. One more equation similarly we will get using S17 Hasni.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm writing using S17 one more equation. They gave S17 as 289. This is, let us take equation 1 as. Okay.
Okay, sir.
S17 now similarly, can you tell an equation like this Hasni? S7 means I wrote 7 by 2 into 2a plus 60, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
S17 can you tell Hasni similarly?
17 by 2 into 2a
Yes,
plus
2a
16d is equals to
plus
16d
yes, Hasni, nice Hasni.
is equals
So
to
2a plus n minus 1 into d, we have to do n as 16, so we'll get like that. 17 by 2 again, we'll take it right side also. 2a plus 16 is equal to 289 into 2 by 17. Any doubt, Hasni?
no, sir.
So 17 actually 17 square is 289. So you should get the idea. 17 is a prime number. It will not go with any table directly. 17 10 is 17 1 is 17 17.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So now what is left here, Hasni? 2a plus 16b is equal to 17 into 2 is 34. 2 common again. 2 into a plus 8b is equal to 34. A plus a plus 8d is
A plus
equal
B
to
is equals
34
to
by 2 Hasni. A plus 8d is equal to 17. Okay, Hasni?
okay, sir.
So this is the equation 2 Hasni. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now we'll solve equation 1 and equation 2. We'll get A and B has. Then we can find out sum of n terms.
Okay, sir.
This also I'll do it in the big screen. Hasni, please not be sufficient, or else I'll try to do it. So here, if you see Hasni now I'm doing equation 1 solving with equation 2 and equation 1 and 2 I'm solving. A plus 3d is equal to 7, a plus 8d is equal to 70. So minus if I do as a, will get cut. A will get cut as me. 3d minus 8d is minus 5d, minus 5d equal to 7 minus 70 is minus 10 as.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
It will pass.
Okay, sir.
It's as. So now finally I can just see that A is D is equal to minus 10 by minus 5. So D is equal to 2 has. So if I substitute D is equal to 2 in any of the equation 1, A plus 3D is equal to 7, A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7, A is equal to 7 minus 6, 1 has. Okay. So any doubt has been?
No, sir.
So D value 2, A value 1. What did they ask? Actually, they asked the sum of n terms asking, but to find the sum of n terms, we require A and D here because without A we cannot do the sum of n.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is part 1 as. Then part 2 I am just finishing it here as. This is not it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So A value is 1 Husky and D value is 2. We want Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here we cannot use the second formula because an is not given us.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
N is also not given. Then how to find out the sum of n terms? Here we will get the answer itself in terms of n only has. Because n is not given, no? That's why. And there is no information to find out n also.
Okay, sir.
There is no particular n value to find out the sum here. They just ask the sum of n terms. So n by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into 1, 2 Hasni plus n minus 1 means n minus 1 only into d is 2. So n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 2n here distribution Hasni 2n minus 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Inside the bracket here this part distribution.
Okay.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so now I can cut this 2 and minus 2 as 2 minus 2 0. So we'll get n by 2 into 2n. So again 2 will get cut as me. So we'll get n into n answer, n square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sum of n terms. Sn is equal to
Sir.
n square has me answer.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt has me?
No, sir.
So just for confirmation, once you get the back answer.
The back answer also shows the same, sir.
N square has me.
Yes, sir. In square.
Okay, Asmi. So Asmi, from this question, shall we finish it in our next class, Asmi, again?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Asmi. Bye, Asmi.